Most AI applications today present a polished, effortless interface, but underneath that surface is a dense mechanical core of matrix operations and probability distributions. This typographic data visualization reveals a stark contrast in the industry. Right now, 84% of students already use AI tools, yet only 18% feel prepared to use them professionally. That gap exists because calling an OpenAI endpoint is not engineering. Chaining together pre-built wrappers might get a demo running, but it bypasses the actual architecture. If you ship a production chatbot but cannot explain the math governing its loss curve, you are flying blind. This split-screen comparison shows the problem. Hooking a function to an agent takes a simple API call on the left, but if you don't know how the multi-head attention block on the right routes that data, you're relying on luck. When a platform update alters the API structure, the wrapper ecosystem breaks. Robust engineering requires working from first principles, where you dictate the logic. The tech industry is currently masking a severe foundational competency deficit behind these easy-to-use interfaces. There is a strict bottom-up cure for this deficit, an open-source GitHub repository called AI Engineering from Scratch. This is a massive, highly structured curriculum. It contains 20 sequential phases, comprising exactly 435 individual lessons. The core methodology is uncompromising. You are forced to derive and build the algorithms entirely from raw math first. High-level production frameworks are strictly withheld until the underlying mathematical logic is mastered. Actual mastery of artificial intelligence requires painstakingly building these systems yourself, rather than just renting compute time from someone else. Every single one of those 435 lessons runs on the exact same pedagogical loop. Build it, use it, ship it. This diagram illustrates the sequence, starting with build it. You write the algorithm from scratch, using 0 frameworks. Next is use it, executing that task through a production library like PyTorch. Finally, ship it, packaging the code as a reusable artifact. This exact cycle applies to everything, from calculating gradients in calculus to assembling tokenizers that chop text into model-readable chunks. By writing the miniaturized version by hand first, you completely demystify what the enterprise framework is executing in the background. This repetitive, hands-on cycle ensures your theoretical knowledge is permanently converted into deployable engineering muscle. This diagram maps out the 20 phases, which stack vertically. You cannot skip the lower layers without breaking the components at the top. The floor is phase 1. You start with linear algebra, calculus, and classical machine learning regressions. From there, you enter the deep learning core. You code convolutional neural networks for computer vision, process natural language, and eventually construct the full transformer architecture. By the time you reach the peak, you are pre-training large language models from scratch, managing multi-agent swarms, and deploying autonomous systems. Navigating this entire vertical requires fluency across 4 distinct programming languages. Python serves as the primary language for testing core logic and deep learning mechanics. But to hit massive production speeds and deploy models to the edge, you inject Rust, TypeScript, and Julia. Real-world AI deployment is a polyglot, multi-layered system. Monolithic single-language tutorials are entirely obsolete in a modern production environment. A 320-hour curriculum is highly intimidating, especially for senior engineers who already know how to optimize a neural network. To solve this onboarding friction, the repository includes its own built-in AI agent skills. Inside your IDE, whether you use Cursor or Claude, you execute the custom terminal command /findyourlevel. This triggers a 10-question diagnostic quiz that maps your existing technical knowledge directly to a specific starting phase and a custom timeline. This dynamic placement prevents experienced developers from wasting time on concepts they already know. Make no mistake, the scale of time and intense pressure required to forge these skills is truly immense. This curriculum is directly opposed to the Learn AI in a Weekend tutorial culture. You will face grueling mathematics and linear algebra derivations before you are allowed to generate a single piece of text. This timeline grid maps out exactly what to expect. There is no hand-holding, there are no 5-minute overview videos, and there are absolutely no copy-paste deployment shortcuts. You are expected to build all 435 tools entirely by hand and run them locally on your own hardware. The extreme friction of this 320-hour timeline is the precise mechanism that filters out tourists from actual engineers. The payoff for surviving these 20 phases is the complete elimination of theoretical homework. You leave the curriculum with exactly 435 distinct, reusable engineering artifacts. These range from highly optimized prompt templates to model context protocol servers, the standard interfaces used to safely connect AI to external data sources. In Phase 14, for example, you write a 120-line autonomous agent loop in pure Python that you can drop directly into your daily tech stack. This functional arsenal holds immediate production value, contrasting sharply with the uselessness of a standard certificate of completion. True AI engineers do not fear framework updates or platform shifts because they own the mathematics underneath them. The future of the tech industry will exclusively belong to engineers who can build, break, and scale fundamental models, not those who merely prompt them. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. We review tools like this every week, so you're always ahead. Now, if you want to see how the big tech companies teach this, you're going to love our breakdown of Microsoft's AI agents for beginners.